Well, hello there. Thank you for joining us here at Coolest Life. My name is Tony, and I'm here at Rising Star Lodge number 129 in Calera, Oklahoma. We're just outside of Denton, Oklahoma, if you know where that's at. Let's just say we're not far from the Texas line. We're really close. But we're going to take you inside this. Looks like a relatively new building. We're next to a very busy road, as in 4 lanes of traffic out that way. But looks like they've got a nice little shed out there. Nice big grassy area. They certainly have a nice big picnic here, that's for sure. Come on inside, because maybe you can find some things about this lodge that maybe you want to make some improvements on your own lodge and pick up on something maybe what they're doing. That's often is my goal here, to kind of get you out and get you visiting. So maybe you want to come see these brothers live and in color. But let's go ahead and get to it, because I'm going to go inside here, because I'm out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition. So we are inside here, and here's their dining room. And I want to show you some of the things they have here, some historic pieces that they have here. I saw this 2-ball cane here. It's a nice 2-ball cane. That's how they're stored out here. And they're heavy in the Scottish Rite, but they meet in McAllister for their Scottish Rite. Got a signing book there. And we go into the lodge room, and you see here there's no peephole or door knocker or anything like that. Eastern Star doesn't meet here. In fact, this looks like not Eastern Star. This looks like the regular jewels that they have here hanging. Yep, that's the regular jewels. It is a good looking lodge though. Senior warden sits up here. Can definitely tell you, senior warden. You notice that there's no small columns here. It's not required that they do small columns in the state of Oklahoma. Typically, most of the lodges do not have the smaller columns, so you're not going to find those. They are wired for sound. And got casters on the columns here. It's about 7 feet tall, 7.5. Definitely got some age on it. A celestial globe, terrestrial there. I think we saw one of these. It was upside down. Seems like this was on top of there. That was there, but this is actually correct here. Tell by that. Got a nice piece there. Here's your Eastern Star jewels. I got the sound here. And that's got there for Eastern Star. That's sitting in the north. I don't think I've seen one of these before. This is definitely an old piece. This is the Washington Memorial, Masonic Memorial there in Alexandria. And that's what you would see if you went into Alexandria. This is definitely older, because that tower is taller than those 3. So this is definitely an older piece here. It's I think there's at least 2 more on top of this. But it is a huge room. Get a chance to see that. I've seen these in other lodges. Have no idea what that is. Actually, I do, but I can't talk about it. But here's their ballot. Here's a ballot box here. Oh, look, everybody's been voted on. I guess you could put them back through, couldn't you? So normally with these, this would swivel open and this would actually come open, but they're going to have to put all those back in order to have a vote. Unless you're in South Carolina, then they got multi-boxes there at South Carolina. Check and look at some of our videos with South Carolina lodges. Wow. He did wear his hat here today. Since and he actually wore this hat here. You don't have to wear that hat. It is pretty common to see it, especially up north. I saw it in New Hampshire and Maine. They wore that a lot. New Jersey also. Like this, where Smash sits here pointing up. Nothing on the furniture as far as that goes. And boy, that's a little bitty eagle up there, isn't it? It works though. We still did a pledge. Did a pledge at the beginning of every Masonic meeting. Had never been to a meeting that we didn't do a pledge. And there's your customary George Washington holding the setting maul. Here is their charter. You notice there's no black drape on this. Don't know if they recognize the older members in that way. 1898. As you go further toward California, the lodges are not quite as old. You don't see them from the 1700s or early 1800s. As you continue to go west, there's your Eastern Star there. And there's your staffs. That's more like you would see in most lodges, that type of cornucopia. This, of course, is the plum here. And he's got his gavel there. And oh, look. Now, at that last lodge, we saw an ear of corn suspended, but you can see this in here. That's a sheaf of wheat at the waterfall. May have something to do with the fellowcraft degree, possibly. I want to show you their altar here. You see it's got the lights actually built in. We saw that at the other Oklahoma lodge. Haven't seen that in any other jurisdiction except Oklahoma, so this is very unusual to see these lights actually built into the. He's got a switch there, and it lights up really nice. It lights them all up at the same time. You go to Wisconsin lodges, and they purpose as it was no, it's maybe it was Wisconsin. They light them up one at a time. So definitely an older Bible. It's definitely a Masonic Bible. As you can see, it says Great Lights and Masonry up top. Masonic King Solomon's Temple. And I like this. This is a nice depiction of the presidents that were Masons. Nice big pictures, not just a list or all of them jammed on one page. It's really cool. President, and then they got this list also. Master Controls, History of Solomon. Real nice. Nice Bible. Great, great condition. Really like it. So if you're traveling around Oklahoma for some reason and you just happen to find yourself in south central Oklahoma near the Texas border, your little town called Calera, C-E-L-R-A, I believe it is. Come visit these brothers at Rising Star number 129 here in Calera. They're just south of Calera, or near Denton. Not from Denton, Texas, but they're actually near Denton, Oklahoma. But come visit these brothers. I'm sure they'll welcome you like they did me. We had tacos today. Like me some tacos. But be sure to like and subscribe, and send this to your friends who are Masons and non-Masons, because there's no secrets here. I'm gonna let you go, and I need to get back out here living the coolest life, Masonic edition.